From the Lineweaver Wealth Watch Center, this is the Financial Quarterback.
I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. Like it or not, and most of us don't, it's tax season again. So here joining me in the studio today is Mark Sipos, the director of LFG Tax. Today we're going to cover 5 things your accountant or tax preparer should be doing for you. So Mark, where should we get started?
Well, first, I do want to offer some tips of how to choose a good tax preparer and also what to avoid when looking for a tax preparer. Both can be equally as important. The first thing I'd like to discuss is making sure your tax advisor will work with your other financial professionals.
Yeah, as your financial quarterback, we help coordinate all our clients' financial, tax, legal, and insurance needs. And this is the reason why, because decisions are made in these areas can have huge consequences for your tax bill.
That's right. And another tip would be to use somebody that's proactive and not reactive to your tax planning. So you want to make sure that you're ahead of the game and stay ahead of the game all throughout the year. It's still not too late for 2023. There's still a few things you can do in 2024 to limit that tax liability.
Yeah, for example, maxing out contributions to things like your IRA, SEP, or Roth, maybe looking at a backdoor Roth. These can all help you set yourself up for success in retirement while decreasing your overall income and tax bill.
And unfortunately, there are some less than reputable tax advisors out there. So you want to look out for somebody that's promising you a really large refund or somebody that wants to be paid based on how much of a refund they get for you.
Yeah, a reputable accountant will need to see your financial paperwork and do the return in order to really know what you're going to owe.
And as a reputable advisor, I want to make sure I'm keeping as many of your tax dollars in your own pocket as I can. But I also want to keep you out of trouble and lessen your exposure to an IRS audit.
A good tax advisor will help you look at last year's taxes. A great tax advisor is going to help you look forward to the coming year and help set you up for success in the process.
Early tax planning is really important. Things like bunching your itemized deductions, tax loss harvesting in your portfolio, or maximizing your retirement accounts is crucial to your whole overall success. It's never too early to have a plan. In fact, when you go in to do your 2023 tax return, that's a perfect time to plan for 2024.
And finally, use a service that places your convenience first.
Yeah, at lineweaver.net, we have a web page that can help you get started on your tax return and offers due dates and tax tips. And we also have a secure portal that you can upload your information to us and we can send you a tax organizer to help you get started.
Yeah. And while technology and convenience are important, it's always important to have people there to answer your questions. Whether it's for a simple return or advanced planning, our tax team is here to support you and answer your questions. So get started now at lineweaver.net or call us today. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for Fox News Sunday.